Good morning from Surigao, Pebble Beach. Ang ganda ng tubig. Wala pang alas 6. Ang ganda magising sa may dagat. So today we're on the road again. We are going to catch ferry. We were supposed to go back home, but we decided to go in Cebu instead. We had 2 nights in Bagarabon. What's this? Bagarabon Pebble Beach. We had good rest, and it's really good to have a good rest. And we enjoyed the swimming pool yesterday, and I met their cook. They come from Oras, so Ikasiwaray. he does good food, and yeah, we're happy staying here, and now we're going, and yeah, had a good rest, and we met the cook yesterday, like I said, and he did mark a good omelette today. They have so many visitors because it's weekend. Okay, on our way very early because we are going to have a long ferry boat to Cebu. It's quite far already. We are in Hotel Tavern. It's the best way in Philippines.
Better way, yeah.
So we are staying in.
Back in the tavern.
Yeah, we are back in Tavern, Surigao. We have to stay here because there is no ferry. Sunday, no ferry. It's all Monday. And this is 2,400.
With the breakfast.
With breakfast.
And a nice one at that.
We stayed here last time and it was nice and comfy. They got hot water as well. So we managed to book early. We didn't have to wait for 2 o'clock Oh, two bed. One each.
Yeah.
One each bed. Is that all the light?
That's all the light there is. Hang on.
And two tables. One each table, look.
We have a window? Oh,
No. It's
no.
oh,
It's a storage area.
it's a storage.
That's why it's 2,400.
It's alright.
Do?
We can have some more rest because I didn't sleep well last night. Was getting excited on the road, being on the road. Okay. Ito ang boats papunta sa mga islands. Dito ka kumukuha ng boat. Ang daming boat. Dito ka mag-island hopping. Sa Surigao City Boulevard. Busy paggabi. Doon ang palengke. Ito ang boulevard nila. Ako'y bayad. Dapat tissue line? Only rice. First time. Ano to? Paris. Anyan yung hotel. Hapunan. Gutom. May barbecue. Ihaw. Wow.
Invitation dyan, tira. Ang black ba? Ang black invitation.